In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to create a transparent background. This image that you're seeing right now, on Canva, it looks like it's white. It has a white background. I can still download this file as a transparent by clicking on Share, select Download, then make sure the file format is PNG. Now, here's the key part. You want to select the one that says Transparent Background. And I only want this current image. Notice this little crown icon here. That means it is a Canva Pro feature. Then click on Download. And here's the image. It is gray on the preview, but if I put it on any colored background, it's going to be transparent. Now, when you're working on Canva, if the white is confusing, you can always change the color to a different one. And when you're downloading the file, do the same thing. Click on Share, Download, PNG, make sure transparent background is checked. Then click on Download. Here's the second file with the brown background.